Of that, disability advocates say eligible caregivers are getting turned away at vaccination sites.
They're blaming it on a lack of formal written guidance from the state. They say there's confusion about who is actually allowed to get the shot. Fox 9's Courtney Godfrey joins us live tonight. So, Courtney, who are we talking about here?
Well, Amy, most of the time we're talking about parents of individuals living with disabilities. Advocates say that by vaccinating them, we can protect the vulnerable. But when those parents are trying to get in line to get the shot, they say they're hitting roadblocks.
We were really happy with this clarification.
It was a win for the disability community last week when infectious disease director for the state of Minnesota, Chris Ersman, confirmed that unpaid caregivers are eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine.
We do want to clarify that parents who are serving as personal care assistants, whether paid or not, for their children would be included in that category.
But as those family members logged on to register, some were questioned and even turned away.
As we've said to them, you're eligible, they've said that's so interesting. That's a different answer than I got 1 week ago. That's a different answer than I got when I just called XYZ County.
Nowhere on the state website is it clarified, and disability advocates say county health departments and pharmacies don't have formal written guidance on the issue.
Why having things clearly explained and written down and shareable, disseminatable, is far superior to it just being verbalized in a certain webinar that you attended one day that you got lucky to see.
And they fear that word-of-mouth strategy may mean some don't even know they're eligible.
I think of those families that don't have something like the Down syndrome community, which is fairly tight-knit, to spread the word. How do they get connected? How do they know?
Many of these unpaid caregivers are also struggling with the state's sign-up system, as it requires that they sign up as a self-employed healthcare worker, something that many of these parents just aren't comfortable identifying as. Reporting live in Minneapolis, Courtney Godfrey, Fox 9.